Let's make chili mushroom, a Indo-Chinese style mushroom recipe. Start with 1 pound of mushroom. This mushroom is usually very dirty, so clean it at least 3 to 4 times and let it dry. I will cut this lower section of the stem and chop my mushroom from the middle. Cut all your mushroom just like this. Next, you will need few cloves of garlic, 2 onions, half pepper. You can also use other colors for the pepper. Cut your pepper in medium square pieces. For the onions, take out the upper few layers and cut it into medium square pieces. You have to separate each and every layer. And for the remaining part, chop it as fine as you can. And for the garlic, you can chop it just like onion, or you can use the garlic press. Let's prepare the sauce. Add 50 ml of water. Add 2 tablespoons of a spicy sauce. Try to use Indo-Chinese style sauce, but if you can't find one, you can also go for the sriracha sauce. Next, add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, few drops of vinegar, and half a tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Now mix all of this and keep it aside. Let's start the cooking. Keep your heat on medium-high setting and add oil. Once your oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add your onions and garlic. Add your mushroom. Now you have to cook this mushroom until it's fully done. Cover it so that your mushroom release all of its water. This mushroom has released a lot of water, so we have to make it dry. Add half a teaspoon of Kashmiri mirch, it's mainly for the color. Keep moving your spoon so that all this water gets evaporated. This step may take somewhere around 7 to 10 minutes. It really depends upon how watery your mushroom is. So after few minutes, you can see all the water has evaporated. You have to check if your mushroom is cooked well. So once your mushroom is well cooked, add onions and green peppers. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, add your sauce, and now mix all of this really well. Cook for 2 to 3 more minutes. This recipe is almost ready. Add sesame seeds for the garnishing and enjoy, guys. This recipe is quick and it tastes really good. Check out other Indian recipes on my channel and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.